Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the FTMO Sniper. It's a martingale and hedge-based system that is built specifically around prop firm challenges. Okay, a quick note for you before we start. If you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. All right, so just for you to know, FTMO Sniper is available for both MT4 and MT5. You can see this is the MT4 version here, FTMO Sniper 4. This is the MT5 version here. All right, so you can see it is actually it's developed by the same person. All right, this was developed by Vyacheslav Isvarin. You can see the same developer, and if you look closely, the descriptions are literally the same. Okay, in case if you were confused, right, you can see it's the same. The pricing also are the same. All right, so let's just focus on the MT5 version to prevent jumping from one page to another. So let's just focus on the MT5 version. All right, but if you need the MT4 version, okay, you can still get that. Now the MT4 version is at version 121.1, but the MT5 version is at 4.12. all right, so you can see there is actually a difference in the versions, but then the dates where it was updated, MT4 was updated in 19th April 2024, while the MT5 was updated 26th February 2024. As for the activations, both of them have 5 activations. All right, and they are priced at $3,500 to buy, or you can rent for $250 for a month, or $1,800 for a full year. The page is explicit that this is dedicated to FTMO and other checked legitimate prop firm challenges from 2020 through 2024. Okay, with default parameters built around a $100,000 challenge account and best results reported on gold and US 100. It also states that for prop firm use, a separate protector product is required alongside this one, and according to the description, the strategy combines a CCI-based smart entry system with multi-time frame confirmation, dynamic position sizing that starts at a base lot and increases strategically, and what the page calls an advanced martingale strategy, opening additional positions at predefined price steps, adapting to volatility through ATR, and with up to 3 customizable step levels. Okay, so there is also a virtual take profit system with hidden levels to avoid broker manipulation, and an innovative hedge protection feature that opens counter positions to protect profits at specific equity trigger levels. Now, equity protection stops trading below a specified level, and there is a maximum simultaneous trade count and spread check as well. The page includes a detailed lot sizing table tied specifically to account size. We have 0.03 for a $50,000 account and 0.06 lots for a $100,000 account, with no smaller account size listed. There are also 5 explicit rules laid out on the page, to close all trades and disable auto trading well before high impact news, never leave an instance open beyond 26 hours, never manually close just one trade out of a group without closing them all, never change parameters while trades are open, and thoroughly understand every setting before going live. Now let's just quickly get into the historical testing. Okay, and there is important context to raise before the numbers, tied directly to what the page itself says about account size. So I ran this on a $10,000 account, as you can see, and the test was conducted on gold on the H1 time frame covering January through July 2026, and that's about 7 months, with full history quality. The total net result for that period was a loss of $9,759, essentially the entire account. So breaking that down, gross profit was $65,334 against a gross loss of over $75,000, giving a profit factor of 0.87. The maximum drawdown reached 97.7%, and the margin level dropped to just 92.6%, both consistent with an account that came right to the edge of a margin call. Now, out of 800 total trades, only about 20% were profitable. Okay, so here is the context worth connecting directly to that result. Okay, the developer's own lot sizing table only shows, only goes down to a $50,000 account at 0.03 lots. Remember what we saw here. Okay, but this test that I conducted ran on a $10,000 account. So at least from this video, you can be able to know that if at all you are interested in this expert advisor, you shouldn't go below the recommended account size. All right. So based on what we see here, if your prop firm account is less than $50,000, this EA might not really be the best for you to use according to the information here and the backtest result that we are getting here. But it does not necessarily mean that this is the only reason why this ended in the net loss. All right, because as you can see, there were actually 800 trades, and the win rate was low. Okay, so I'm not just gonna assume that it's because of the balance, that the net profit was negative. Okay, but either ways, this actually ran on an account size that was well below the smallest listed tier, without any adjustment reflected in the numbers to compensate for the smaller capital base. Now, given that this is a martingale and hedge based system where position sizing at each step is central to how the recovery logic is meant to work, running it on capital well below what the developer's own guidance calls for would meaningfully increase the relative risk being taken on, and a near total account wipeout like this is very much consistent with that mismatch. Okay, so to wrap up, based on the available information, this particular test produced a near total loss, but it also ran on capital well below what the developer's own lot sizing table is built around. And I'm going to recommend testing this specifically at or above the account sizes that the developer actually provide guidance for, which is $50,000 or more, with the lot sizing scaled accordingly before drawing any real conclusions about how this system performs within its intended conditions. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.